Hello, good morning students. This video is doing by the request of some students that some of the question answers they could not understand or they are not completely came in the frame of this screen. Some lines are missed. So by the special request of some students, I think for all of you it was a problem. One or two lines were missed the underside of the screen. So I am doing it again. I am giving you the question answers again completely to write it down. Those who were in a need, those who are interested to write the question answers, they told me this is the problem, ma'am. And those who are not writing it, they are the rest. Those who not answered me or those who are not reporting the problem to me, they are not listening to the video, I think, or you are just listening to it, just seeing once and you are going to your own business. You are not writing it down. If you write it down, you will have certain problems like this. Then you will convey to me that problem. So I am giving it in a second time to you. Do it well. Write it in your copy completely. Those who already wrote the question answers, they check it down. They again write the missed question answers. So this is the chapter end exercise of chapter 5. The chapter end exercise of chapter 5. The answers to all these questions are given here in some slides. So you can see the other slides. See, these are the question answers. In text, these are in text question answers. जो लेसन जो चैप्टर है उसके बीच बीच में जो क्वेश्चंस दिया है उसका आंसर्स है ये. उसके बाद जो लास्ट में क्वेश्चन दिया था, डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन प्लांट सेल एंड एनिमल सेल, आंसर ऑफ दैट क्वेश्चन, डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन प्लांट सेल एंड एनिमल सेल. Here the first question, make a comparison and write down ways in which plant cell are different from animal cell. So this answer, and after that this one, what would happen if plasma membrane ruptures or break down? So answer to this question. Third question, what would happen if plasma membrane, the question number is 3 there also. And second question is, what is prokaryotic cell? How is a prokaryotic cell different from eukaryotic cell? इसका आंसर एक सेपरेट स्लाइड में मैंने दिया है यहाँ पे. So you can see the answer, prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell here. Difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell is given here. So you write it here. Differentiate between the question 2, the second exercise, second question. And after that, differences between plant cell and animal cell. Here the number given to this question is according to your chapter and exercise, this one. The answers of these questions are given there. Okay, question 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here it is completed. You pause the video. You pause the video in between and write the answers. I am stopping the. I am remaining the screen for a certain time for your convenience. Let the screen remain like that for some time. You can write it. So those who already write it, please convey me that you have any problem. If you have no problem, even then convey me that what is your status of learning. Okay, so here answer is little bit longer. In class 8 I was giving you very simple simple answers, 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, or point wise. But here you have to learn little more. You are in class 9, you have to learn and understand little more. So these are the questions and their answers. Complete it. This is your last chance. After that I will not be giving this again. Don't personally ask me to give this and give that. You can revise the video again and again. Personally don't ask me to send videos. Videos are here. Personally you can ask me what is the problem in one question answer, in one chapter, in one topic, or like that. Don't ask me to send the video again. Today Shizan asked me that there is a problem in the video because the last 2 lines are not appeared in the slide, in the monitor, or in the screen. In the screen it was not there. And if there is something like that, you point out that to me. Surely you can point out that to me. Then I can understand what is the problem there. So if there is some problem like that, so thank you Shizan. Like this you all should convey me if there is any problem in your notes or in your videos. Okay. Okay, now can I wind up this one? Hope all of you must have done your most of the work, 90% work, and the rest also complete in chapter 5, because we have already started chapter 6. In that also there is so much work. Okay, so do it. And the next video, chapter 6 chapter 6 is continuing in another video. So after this, see the next video of chapter 6. Okay, bye.